As you have likely noticed, I try to keep this channel as professional as possible, so when I hit a subscriber milestone, I either make a music video or release a special video. But behind the scenes, things aren't always so professional. And sometimes I'm even recording. So thank you to all of you for 200 subscribers, and without further ado, I present the bloopers from over the years.
Hey guys, blooper time, ready? Ready, come on?
Blooper time!
No, come all the way out this time.
What were you doing in there? I don't even want to know.
No, you went in the nose to
Don't you back that up.
Corey, I swear
Corey,
to God.
no!
Corey, no!
Bad Corey.
I swear to God,
out here right now.
Corey!
Guys, I'm recording, so we're just getting a bit more bloopers.
You know what?
Corey! Let's go wave him down.
Come on! This way!
Corey! No, that's the wrong way! No!
Corey!
Come back!
Why? Corey, why?
Why?
Okay, Corey,
keep
come on,
going.
buddy.
Keep going, Corey.
We believe in you. You got this, buddy.
Come on, Corey. Don't cut throttle. Keep going.
No.
Come on. Corey.
It's okay, buddy. Don't be scared.
God.
Don't be scared.
Corey. Don't have faith. What we did last time.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay. Come on, Corey. You got this, buddy.
Come on, Corey.
Come on. It's okay.
Come on. Get the
Corey.
cookie. No cookie.
Corey, what are you doing? Corey.
No.
Corey. Forward. Your reverser is backward.
No. Going the wrong way.
Corey. The reverser is supposed to be forward.
No cookie for this man.
No cookie.
No cookie for Corey.
We were going to give you a cookie.
No cookie anymore.
Yeah.
No more cookie.
No more cookie. The headlight. It's gone. Headlight. Why, Corey?
Just want to chase the train.
Go to Dover, please.
No, come back.
Corey, I see you, Corey. I see you. I see you, Corey.
72 is man to GE. I'll give you
Stop smoking. It's bad for your health.
Corey, I'll give you a double stuffed Oreo and make the train go to Dover.
Yo, I got Oreos in the car. Thanks, Corey. No, he doesn't. Let's go, boys.
Guys, look! It's Sawyer's favorite engine!
No, it's not. Shut up. I hate it.
72!
Shut up.
He loves it so much he came for a rare visit on the New Hampshire North Coast Railroad.
Shut up.
Look at that!
You're here
It's a
too.
B40!
You're here too.
Holy
You're here too. Shut up.
It's a B40! Oh my God!
Wow.
Oh!
Patch two. Wow. Hi.
Don't be southern!
Sorry.
What's
up, Corey?
Comes.
Yes.
The fella has a makeup.
Yeah, I know.
You want to go before?
What?
It's the A200!
Yes.
Just said A200.
Is that 1751?
The most beautiful horn ever.
51 behind me now.
51.
Okay, everyone shush.
We answered extra 7470. Yeah, we'd like to select fire left.
7470, we're about to blow.
7470 out of Ireland.
Shut up. 470 over. Come on, fine. Shut. Oh.
Right
Please.
above us. I see him. Right in the trees.
Like, I literally can see through them.
Yeah,
Hey!
Oh, he's going down. He's going down, boys.
Thank you. That's good? Yeah, it should be fine.
Damn it. No.
God, is that a Sawyer?
No.
I'm so sorry, but I do have to go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get this.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're not jumping
Thank
in
you.
Don't walk in don't walk in front of it though.
Jeez.
Hey Sawyer, you might want to film this.
What are you doing?
I would advise filming.
Oh God. Okay,
Like actually video this. This is gonna be great.
I'm using that right now, but okay, go. Go.
Oh God.
Good job.
Rival.
Nice.
Yeah.
No. Jesus. Okay. Nope. This is fine. Okay. Now there's 1, 2, 3,
Also,
4
there's a
more.
camcorder in the snow.
That's gonna go in the blooper reel,
Oh yeah.
and you can use that too if you'd like.
I will. Don't you worry. 200 subs, bloopers.
Oh yeah.
That's the plan. Bouncy log. Look at it. Bounce. Bouncy log. Bouncy, 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 bouncy log.
Who's driving? I'm driving. This is where the bloopers. I have more responsibility than you. Yes, it does. Guess I'll die. Okay. Guess I'll do. I'll make sure. Oh my God, guys, train. Oh my God, is it electric? On another episode of Arcading the Snowbank. Oh my God, is it electric? Okay. He's like, right on. No! Yes, he did. That is true. I'll just
Bobert! Oh, you!
It's a wild Connor.